Twin Flame Only Chat, we're going to talk about chakra climaxes. In one of my previous posts, I had someone ask, what do I mean by chakra climaxes? We're going to discuss it in the context of twin flames because I don't feel like it's discussed enough. So let me know your experience in the chat because I'd love to hear. And also, any questions that come up, ask me. We'll go over it together. So when I'm talking about chakra climaxes, I'm talking about the process that happens when energetically the souls are trying to merge. So you don't necessarily have to be in physical union to have this experience, and you don't even need to have met your twin flame to have this experience. But it's like the energy is interacting and there's this soul merge that's trying to happen. So often what you'll experience is an activation. Oftentimes it starts like, I feel like sometimes it can start in like the heart chakra and the heart space, but a lot of the times like the lower chakra, so like the root or the sacral chakra, and you'll feel like this contraction and then this expansion and release, and it moves up your channels. You'll feel like ecstasy and bliss, and I just don't know how else to explain it to people. You just feel amazing. It genuinely is like a full energy body orgasm. So part of what is happening with this is their energy is trying to merge with yours because you are like two bodies, one soul. So energy is trying to merge. The other piece is everything that is not in congruence with unity, consciousness, or with unifying internally and externally with your twin flame. Everything that is in the way of that will start to come up to be released. So you might notice, like, when you have these experiences, or even if you are physically intimate with your twin flame, you'll notice that you have this high octane energy that moves all the way up through your body, and then you start to have like all these triggers, all these fears come up, inner child wounds, just like these pieces that kind of feel distorted or kind of mess you up. So it can feel really complicated because you just felt amazing, and like honestly, the best, like one of the best parts about the twin flame journey is the sex, but really confused because then you have like all these wounds and fears come up, even though like it was a full body yes. So it happens intentionally because it is part of the alchemical process of clearing all the shit, and it can be really intense. I'm going to do another video. We're going to talk about the difference between that and a Kundalini awakening. If you have questions or have your own experience to share, please throw it in the chat.